Donald Trump has urged Americans to get vaccinated as the country is facing its worst measles outbreak in almost about 25 years. Now, Donald Trump has stressed on the importance of vaccination as nearly about 700 measles cases have been reported across 22 out of the 50 U.S. states.
They have to get the shot. The vaccinations are so important. This is really going around now. They have to get their shot.
But this is also the biggest spread of the infectious disease since it was declared eradicated in the United States in 2000. The last outbreak happened in 2014. Health officials are blaming misinformation about the vaccines for the spread of measles, and many parents who are part of the anti-vaxxer groups incorrectly believe that vaccines cause autism in children. Now, interestingly, the discredited information was endorsed by the president himself back in 2012. Doctors have ruled out any link between vaccines and development disorders. Many Orthodox families are also avoiding vaccinations due to what are being described as spiritual and religious reasons. Authorities are now urging vaccinations for children and also adults who did not contract the disease as kids. Meanwhile, panic has gripped two universities in California state. Over 1,000 faculty and students were quarantined in the California State University and the University of California and Los Angeles. Those thought to have contracted measles have been asked to stay at home. The Rockland County of New York State has declared a second emergency due to measles, and many of the measles cases in New York have been reported in the unvaccinated members of the Orthodox Jewish community. Some states are also considering applying penalties on those who fail to get vaccinated. Meanwhile, the chief of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention has asked people to exercise caution while traveling. He has also said that unvaccinated people were likely to contract measles while in transit.
We think it's very important for individuals that are planning to do overseas travel to ensure that they have been appropriately vaccinated against measles. Obviously, the real risk in what's happened in these cases of reintroduction of measles into the United States is that when individuals travel for vacation or go overseas and they haven't been previously vaccinated with measles, they go into areas where there's active measles transmission.
Let's also now show you the extent of the measles spread in the United States. Now, on your screens is the map of the affected U.S. states. They are Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Missouri, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Tennessee, Texas, and Washington. Remember, 22 states means that 44% of the United States has been hit by this latest measles outbreak.